Am I? Ah,
You look exhausted.
you sound exhausted.
I don't think that would ever happen. Walking.
I can suck everything.
Come on, Armand, you're the only one now.
So I'm taking my time, damn.
Eat
How
that.
does it taste, mother? Stop yelling at me. No, I can't stop yelling because that's how I talk.
Stop drinking the water.
About the third season. Yes?
I thought they already had the first season.
Like they did this thing which they didn't get his permission to do, which is like the clip from like the second season. And because they did that without getting his permission, like he's not gonna have third season.
For what?
Dave Chappelle. I thought you said you didn't need it.